Hi guys, what's up, Frenzy Entertainment, dude? I thought I'd show this video how OP this Freestar. Like Blizzard nerfed this shit, bringing back Shockadens. It looks like. Yo, dampening's at 30%. I'm sure we can kill.
We can try.
Dude, like,
I mean,
alright,
we've
yo,
seen how
I got,
freaking bad this is. This
yeah,
has
dude,
been.
I got
But like,
Bash.
wait
I
40
got Bash and
seconds.
Solar. Bash and Solar.
I don't have either.
Alright, and I have full burst, by the way.
Watch the double fear.
Yo, just keep pressure on them until we burst.
Alright, man.
Like, say like 3, 2, 1,
20
so
seconds.
like 20. Alright. I'm keeping slow.
Damn, man, this is
20k bubble
stupid.
left. 20k bubble. Are you ready?
Go.
This is dead, dude. Don't let it. No. I'm not letting this shit
We
happen.
ain't doing this shit again, bro.
Yeah.
Get that clone, dude.
No.
We ain't
Alright.
doing this
Alright,
shit
this is the last.
again.
Don't clone again. Don't clone again.
Oh my god, dude. What the fuck
This is.
this? I'm legit like scared for my life right now. What is this?
No, other way, other
priest?
way, other way, other way. Like threes or not, priest? Yeah, you got bash, you got bash.
No, I don't. Not for 4 seconds. I'm bashing around the corner. Wow, I missed it. Wow, there we go.
No, it didn't. It worked. It just lagged it. Yo, I bash.
Bash, bash, bash. Damn. Alright, heal up. Fuck this.
No, dude, he's dropping 30%. Like, if we couldn't, like, I'm glad we focused that hunter. Like, in the top 10 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder what this fucking, I wonder what this dude right here is doing. Like,
Watch out. Double fear.
we got that mute mic.
Well, he tried to fear me.
Yeah, I'm spam healing touch.
Go ahead, man.
Advise you do the same, dude.
I'm good for a minute.
Yeah, dude, you're dropping. You're dropping.
Bro, watch my health.
Not the point.
Trust me, I'm fine. I know Boomy a little bit better than you think I do.
Alright. This is like a fucking, this is bullshit, dog. Are you ready? I have bash.
I got bash as well.
Alright, I have beam.
Get over by you.
Wait, you want to wait 50 seconds for Encon or no?
Nah. Yeah, wait 15 seconds.
No, 50.
Oh. Yeah, I got mine at 38.
Alright, we'll just wait.
Keep pressure.
I'm about to get feared. Like, this is fucking sad.
This is some savage shit, bro.
I'm the savage.
This is real, dude. Bro, like, oh my god, what is
Alright.
this healing?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep a little, I'm drinking it, actually. Hey, I'm gonna tear down his bubble. Alright. Oh, dude, I might have to go heal. Alright, are you ready?
Go, 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 go.
Bitch. Sit the fuck
He's
down.
not getting through this, no. Can't happen, bro.
Yeah, we said that like 10 times.
No, like, if he gets through this, I'm not sure what we can do to kill him.
And I might actually die. Like from a disc priest.
Come here.
I don't have trinket. I don't have trinket.
I got you.
Like, what the fuck is that hunter thinking? You think? Oh, dude, drop. Other way. Yeah, there. You can't heal through this shit, though.
You thought.
Dude.
Dash.
Dots. Yes! Dude, look at our damage,
Oh
dog.
my god, dude. I'm screenshotting that. That's retarded, dude. This is 1400 CR. That shit shouldn't be allowed.
Yeah.
Blizzard,
Bullshit.
nerf your shit, man. Balance this out finally. Come on, man.
I know.
This-
Like, for real. Alright, guys, that's it for today's video. Peace.